Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to convert Excel to PDF. Let us begin. Navigate to File tab, Export, create PDF. You can name it. Keep this option ticked. Excel will allow the PDF file open immediately after it has been created. If you want high quality document for printing after converting, go for this option. In case if you want the minimum size of the document, click this, but we will go for this. For more options, click here. You can convert all your Excel workbook, or you can choose a range, for example, from 1 to 10. I will leave this as it is. In selection option, you can convert the selected area that you have already set it, or you can convert entire workbook here. Active sheet. If previously you have set the print area and you want to ignore it now, you can click it here, but I will go for active sheet, leave here as it is. Keep these two options ticked. From PDF options, leave it with no tick. Okay, then publish. PDF file immediately opened for us after publishing. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.